Back to the decentralized nature of technology, we discussed how open source software is distributed across vast computer networks around the world. In order to incentivize people to manage and maintain the Ethereum ecosystem, Ether was created as a payment method. In effect, running the Ethereum network, anyone who wants to build software applications on the Ethereum network must use the Ethereum computing power and space required to pay for Ether. The amount of Ether required to process transaction data determined by a built-in pricing system called gas. Transaction data can contain value in terms of Ether and information in code. These codes can be in the next layer of the Ethereum network, transmitting data and triggering actions. The other layer above the basic hardware of Ethereum is the software layer. This software layer supports programming language libraries consisting of Solidity, Viper, etc. Using this computer language, developer can write so-called smart contracts. A smart contract is to use computer code to execute the contract terms of buying and selling. So a smart contract is a line of code. With the essence of the hardware layer of Ethereum and the software layer based on the blockchain, it is the construction and execution of smart contracts, creating a perfect and trustworthy digital environment. Smart contracts have the unique ability to authorize transactions and enforce the terms of the contract in a trusted environment, eliminating the need of a central authority such as a government, bank, or legal system. With smart contract transactions being trackable, transparent, and exist forever. When the hardware layer and software layer of the Ethereum are combined, created a globally decentralized supercomputer, the Ethereum Virtual Machine for short. EVM computing, a virtual machine, is a simulation of a computer network and can be used in many different situations. One of the most basic functions is to improve the flexibility of the software and ensure that each software host and applications are separated. And the last application layer of Ethereum, developers can build and launch third-party decentralized application in it called the DApps. The most popular DApps at present is probably CryptoKitties. Of course, it is not just games. There are many different categories of DApps, including game identification, health, finance, etc. DeFi is naturally the representative of DApps financial project. So, how did DeFi achieve such rapid development? This is about the financial stack of DeFi. Five's financial stack have 5 main components. They are respectively stablecoin, exchange, currency market, synthetic currency, and insurance. Stablecoin issued by centralized asset mortgage usually linked to a price-stable fiat currency. For example, the stablecoin DAI is pegged to the US dollar as its name suggests. An important feature of stablecoins is stability. Stablecoins are designed for it to become a bridge connecting fiat currency and cryptocurrency. Another function of stablecoins is that holders of stability can hold a certain amount of cryptocurrencies with less price fluctuations. We all know that the prices of cryptocurrencies can vary greatly every minute and every second. With the help of stablecoins such as DAI, holder can hold the cryptocurrency at a relatively stable price for a long time. Transparency of records is the advantage of decentralized stablecoins. Also, take DAI as an example. It has a very low custody risk. Here we add on some description of the hosting in the financial world. A custodian is an entity that holds user assets for security. The purpose of custody is to reduce the risk of assets being lost or stolen. The nature of the blockchain means that it has a very high level of security and no longer needs a custodial entity. But it is worth mentioning that here we are talking about decentralized stablecoins and not all stablecoins are decentralized, such as Tether. Its record is non-public. As a conclusion, having real DeFi for the stability of market value, decentralized stablecoins are very important for the DeFi financial system.